Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw your money from Bybit to your bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bybit app on your phone. Now there are actually two ways how you can do that. First thing, you're gonna go to your assets right over here and tap on this option of withdraw given. You're simply going to go ahead, add in the email and set up your funding wallet first. Once you have set it up, you're simply going to go ahead, choose the asset that you would like to withdraw. You're going to go ahead, choose the network, on-chain or internal. If you want to simply do it the on-chain, which will be the method for you to simply transfer to another wallet, you're going to copy another wallet's address, come over here, paste it, and transfer your asset to that wallet, where you will simply go ahead, seal that, and there you're going to provide the bank account as a payment method available and get the money directly from your bank. Now the other thing you can do is you can come to home from your Bybit. You can come to spot at the bottom and simply go to sales section. Now go ahead, tap on the limit section and choose to market. Enter the Bitcoin quantity or whatever asset you have available. Once you have added the asset, tap on the sale Bitcoin and you will be able to sell them. Once you added that for the sale, you will be able to simply provide the buyers your banking details as the payments transfer information, and then they will simply transfer the amount worth of the Bitcoin to your bank directly. So that is it. There is no way for you to convert your Bitcoin to money and transfer it. You simply have to get the money for the worth of it and transfer to your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.